How you doing? This is Nate from Peter Morgan and Associates, and I am your urban financial professional. Today I want to talk to you about credit card skimming. Now, for those that have been to an ATM, and one of the ATMs that are not like from a major bank like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, these little sketchy neighborhood ones, or at the gas station. Swipe your card, your debit card or credit card into the credit card acceptance part of the gas card. So today I was pumping gas in the car today, and I saw this gentleman, and he was swiping his card at the pump, which is not unusual. And where I was at, it wasn't really the greatest neighborhood, but that doesn't necessarily mean that because it wasn't the greatest neighborhood, that this particular situation cannot happen at all. So I went in and I got some coffee and I came back out and I said, excuse me, and I introduced myself and I said, why didn't you go inside and pay? And he was like, I don't know, it's just convenient to pay at the pump. I said, well, do you know about the skimming scam? And he was like, no. I said, well, what happens is that they put a piece of plastic inside of the part where you slide your card in. Okay, so when they slide this in, it actually reads your card. And somebody is kind of close by and they can pick up your card. They have everything on your card, even the last 3 digits on the back of the card. So he looked kind of shocked because he didn't seem to know. I don't know if he knew or he didn't think it could happen. And I told him, I said, not to say that it couldn't happen, but I said, you know what? Let me tell you something. Next time you pay, go inside and pay with your credit card on the inside, because you know you never know what's going to happen out here, because anybody can do anything, and that would be a shame for them to skim your card and then you have to get a new card, or you know they delay you money and then it's a mess. And so I want to talk to you guys about that a little bit. When you go to these places and you know the ATM isn't very sketchy, it's a sketchy ATM, you know, not a major bank, but you know, one of these smaller banks, or even at the gas station, someplace where you swipe your credit card, be very mindful about swiping that card, because these scammers can take your information. Especially at the gas station. They love going to the gas station because the gas station is a double whammy. Usually they have a small ATM machine that's not from a local bank, it's from, you know, some other bank, and they put this little plastic piece inside of the machine which reads your card. Now it may not happen to a lot of us, but I just want to make you aware of it. So with that being said, next time you go to pump gas or you go to get money out of an ATM, you know, think about it, because you just never know, because, well, it can happen to you. But if you know what's going on, you may want to think twice before going and dealing with a little bank that is unknown. But sometimes we have to do what we have to do. Alright, that's my tip today. Of course, drop your comments below. And this is Nate from Peter Morgan and Associates, your urban financial professional. And also, for those that have cars, let me send you something. I'm going to send you a link to the gas app, the Upside Gas app. I want you guys to check that out. You can get money back off your by pumping your gas. It's a little app. You can get it into any of your app store on for Android and for the iPhone. So again, if you guys have any questions about money management, credit, home ownership, buying a home, purchasing a car, drop me a comment and I'll be more than happy to assist you with it. Alright.
Is your credit on life support? Are your past choices preventing you from living the life you deserve in the present? If you thought all hope was lost, think again. You see, we firmly believe that everyone deserves a second chance, and there's no better time than now to repair your credit and get your life back on the right track. We adhere to professional, 100% legal global standards, intelligently repairing your credit so you can finally apply for a credit card and get approved. Find a job, co-sign for a loan, rent a property, keep your interest rates low, and ultimately supercharge your credit score. Our lawyers and experts are ready to turn your life around with the debt help and advice you've so desperately been searching for. So get in touch with us today and take your credit off life support once and for all.